has helped me to grow in my finances, to depend on God, and also to complete the challenge that God has put in my life.
Betty has really helped me is to not only just know the Word, but to be able to teach the Word. And because I'm becoming better at teaching the Word, it's really enhancing me as a leader.
Betty has really helped me develop my study skills and really digging into the Word of God.
Betty has helped me to really work more effectively with people.
Betty has equipped me for what God has called me for, to equip and teach others.
When I first came to the church, I began to take Betty classes, and what it did is it gave me a better understanding on the Bible. Through that, it started to highlight my calling, not only to minister to the city, but to minister to the world.